Good morning students, Arshdeep Kaur here. Today in this physics class we are going to discuss about topic number 6.3 of chapter 6, that is heat and energy. Now our today's topic is anomalous expansion of water, or you can say anomalous behavior of water. First of all, what is the meaning of anomalous? The meaning of anomalous is abnormal. Abnormal, that is not normal, that is कुछ हटके, abnormal behavior of water. Now we all know that solid, liquid, gases, that is three states of matter. These three states of matter expand on heating and contracts on cooling. That means on heating the volume increases and on cooling volume decreases. Now in this anomalous expansion, when we take the case of water, now water is a liquid, then its volume should also be increase on heating and decrease on cooling, but this one is not happen in case of water. When we take a water from the temperature 0 degree Celsius to 4 degree Celsius, in this range of temperature the water show abnormal behavior on heating or on cooling. Let's take some water at 0 degree Celsius. Take water at 0 degree Celsius and start heating. Then what should be there? क्या होना चाहिए यहाँ पे? अब 0 degree Celsius we take a water and start heating, then water should expand, but this one not happen. We see that when we start heating the water from 0 degree Celsius, then from temperature range 0 degree Celsius to 4 degree Celsius it contracts instead of expand. Contracts mean its volume decreases. If its volume decreases, then we know that their density increases. It means from 0 degree to 4 degree Celsius, when on heating the water that is contracts, it means volume decreases and density increases, that is from 0 degree Celsius to 4 degree Celsius. But on further heating, that is 4 degree to 5 degree to 10 degree to 20 degree Celsius, when we heating, then the water again expands. Now 4 degree to 5 degree it expands, 5 to 10 degree it expands, 10 to 20 degree it expands, but from 0 to 4 degree it contracts on cooling. That behavior is on heating. Let's see on cooling what happen. Now initially we take the water from, let's initially take a water at temperature 4 degree Celsius. Initially the temperature of water be 4 degree Celsius and cool down. Let it cool down. Then it contracts. Again it contracts till again it contracts. Again it contracts from, let's temperature is more than 4 degree, that is greater than 4 degree Celsius water temperature, and it's cool. उसको ठंडा कर रहे हो, कूल कर रहे हो. Then till 4 degree water contracts mean volume decreases. Cool कर रहे हो to mean volume decreases from more than, that is from 20 to 4 degree. On cooling, the water contracts, that is volume decreases. But from 4 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius, on cooling, the water expands. Now on heating from 0 to 4 degree, 0 to 4 degree, on heating contraction is there, that is volume decreases from 0 to 4 degree on heating. And when we cooling from 4 to 0 degree, volume decrease करेंगे, cooling from 4 to 0 degree, the water expands. It means from 4 to 0 degree or 0 to 4 degree, the water shows the abnormal behavior. It means you can say that the expansion of water when it cooled from 4 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius is known as anomalous expansion of water. It means on cooling from 4 to 0 degrees Celsius, there is a expansion, not contraction. This behavior of water is called the anomalous behavior of water. Now other than water, some other substances are there. Some other substances like silver, iodine and silica, that is silver, iodine and silica, that also contract on heating. They also show the anomalous behavior of water. Now let's take some water, that is 100 gram of water, 100 gram of water at 0 degrees Celsius in flask. Let's take 100 gram of water at 0 degrees Celsius. Now on heating, and it having some, this is a flask, this containing one capillary tube, this one is a capillary tube, fine bore capillary tube, this is cork and filled with the water. Here is a thermometer. This thermometer is a very sensitive, that is if there is a little change in the temperature, then it will show on this thermometer. Now if this, let's take a water at 0 degrees Celsius, 100 gram water, total 100 gram water, up to this 100 gram water is there. Now if the flask is allowed to warm up, then it is found that its volume decreases up to 4 degree. Now you can see the graph also, the volume decreases. Here is the volume on the y-axis, here is the volume, and on x-axis temperature is there. You can see that the volume decreases up to 4 degree. It means up to 4 degree the volume is, that is a 100 gram, maximum volume at 4 degree, that is on expansion the volume decreases. But when we go above, that is a 4 to 5, 4 to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then you can see the volume increases, and volume increases up to this one is a 1000.27 centimeter cube. Thus we can say that the volume of water increases, the volume of water increases if we heat it or cool it, provided that initially the water is at 4 degree, and if the water initially at 4 degrees Celsius, then it expand on heating and contract on cooling. Okay, then the expansion of water from 4 to 0 degrees Celsius is called the anomalous expansion of the water. Now this graph show the three main term. First one, anomalous expansion. Second one, minimum volume at 4 degree and maximum density at 4 degree. Minimum volume mean, that is a minimum volume. Minimum volume mean the density is maximum. Why I said density is maximum? Now we know that density is equal to, density is equal to mass upon volume. It means if volume increases, density decreases. Okay, and vice versa, volume decreases, density increases. Now in this case what happened? The volume at 4 degree, volume is minimum and density is maximum. ठीक है, maximum density and minimum volume at 4 degrees Celsius. This one is called the anomalous expansion, and this graph is very very important. This graph, okay, that is a graph between volume and temperature. Temperature in degrees Celsius, that is the x-axis, and this one you can also, now one graph you also have to make, that is a graph between density and temperature. Okay, this graph please, okay, note it and draw it on your notebooks, as well as you can draw in your notes also, that is on your books also. Here is the temperature. On x-axis the temperature is in degrees Celsius, and here is the volume, that is a gram per centimeter cube. Okay, now here is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now here is the density of water, that is a 1. Now at 4 density is, what I said, density is maximum. Firstly density is minimum, like graph is like that. It means what I shown here, the density is maximum at 4 degree Celsius, that is the density of water is 1, that is a, you can say 1000 kilogram per meter cube. Here is 0.9999, here is 0.9998, here is 0.9997, and here is 2, 3 and up to so on. Okay, this graph is clear. First graph is between volume and temperature, and second graph is between volume and temperature. Both graphs are important. Okay, just write down here, this one is important and this one is also very very important. Definition of anomalous behavior is also important. Okay, take a one reading of that. If you have any doubt in this, then you can send me the message, personal message to me, not in group. Okay.